Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Your support keeps the content coming. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications.
Hey there! Have you ever dreamt of having a perfect lawn without lifting a finger? Meet Imo Robot, your new lawn buddy that's not just about mowing the grass, but also securing your home. This little genius packs some serious tech. Picture this. It has motion detection, real-time alerts, and it syncs smoothly with your smart home systems. Imagine relaxing on a lazy Sunday, and Imo not only keeps your lawn pristine, but also watches over your home. First off, let's talk about its lawn care superpowers. The Imo Robot comes with satellite-based navigation and obstacle avoidance, so it maneuvers around your yard like a pro. Need a customized mowing schedule? Just set it up on your smartphone app and you're good to go. Whether you have a small garden or a sprawling lawn, Imo's got you covered. It's like having a professional gardener at your beck and call. Now here's the exciting part: home security. The Imo isn't just about cutting grass. It's equipped with motion sensors that detect any unusual activity around your home. Get real-time alerts right on your phone if something's off. It's like having an extra pair of eyes, always vigilant. And integration? Oh, it's seamless. Sync Imo with your smart home systems, whether it's Alexa or Google Home, and control it with just your voice. Hey Alexa, is my lawn done? And boom, you get your answer. Don't just take my word for it. Listen to what users have to say. Imo has transformed my weekends, says Rohan from Mumbai. It's like having a security guard and gardener rolled into one, and experts agree. David Dubin from Roboscape Robot Mowers mentions how these advanced mowers are changing the game with their efficiency and convenience. So why wait? Step into the future with Imo Robot, your ultimate lawn and home security buddy. I've got something groundbreaking to share with you: PaintCam Eve. Imagine a home security system that not only keeps an eye on things, but also acts like a mini paintball turret. Yep, you heard that right, folks. So, what's PaintCam Eve all about? Developed by a Slovenian company, PaintCam, this AI-powered security system is taking home protection to a whole new level. It's not just about cameras anymore, it's about active defense. Picture this. An intruder steps onto your property and PaintCam Eve sends out a warning. If the intruder ignores it, they get a not-so-friendly reminder in the form of paintballs or even tear gas. Now, this isn't your average security gadget. PaintCam Eve uses advanced tech like facial recognition and automatic target marking. It can differentiate between a friendly neighbor and a potential threat. Plus, it's got all the standard features you'd expect: night vision, remote access, you name it. All controlled through a super user-friendly app. Launched on Kickstarter, PaintCam Eve comes with a starting price of $1,275. Yeah, it's a bit on the pricey side, but think about the peace of mind it offers. With crime rates on the rise, having a system that can actively protect your home sounds pretty awesome, right? But hold on, there's more to the story. The use of force by machines raises some serious ethical and legal questions. Critics argue that even non-lethal force like paintballs and tear gas can be problematic. What if the system malfunctions? Who's liable if someone gets hurt? These are valid concerns that PaintCam's creators need to address. Despite these potential roadblocks, the team behind PaintCam Eve believes they're onto something big. They see it as the future of home security: proactive, intelligent, and, let's face it, a bit sci-fi. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI with paintballs to guard your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm diving into some eye-opening news about Verish Issues, one of the big names in home security. Whether you've already got their system or you're considering it, you'll want to hear this. The market for professionally monitored alarms is booming, with millions of installations across Europe and North America. Companies like ADT and Verish Issues are leading the charge. But not all is rosy in the world of Verish Issues. Recently, Verish Issues has come under fire for some pretty serious issues. Critics are raising the alarm, pun intended, over their sales tactics, reliability, and transparency. Imagine paying for peace of mind and finding out it's not so peaceful after all. there have been reports of system failures during critical moments. Picture this: a knife-point robbery at a retailer store, and the Verish system supposedly didn't do its job. Another incident involved a break-in where the customer wasn't notified because cameras were disconnected. Not exactly what you want from a security system, right? Insurance experts are also raising eyebrows. They warn that Verish's equipment might not meet certain certification standards. This could jeopardize insurance claims if something goes wrong. That's a double whammy: losing your stuff and having issues with your insurance. Now, Verish defends themselves, saying customer safety is their top priority. They point to positive Trustpilot ratings as proof of happy customers. But they do admit there are concerns that need addressing. So, what's the takeaway? If you're with Verish, keep an eye on your system's performance and stay in touch with their support team. And if you're shopping for a security system, do your homework. Your safety is priceless, and you deserve the best. Stay safe, folks, and make sure you're truly protected. I bet you didn't know that millions of hotel rooms could be at risk due to a security flaw. Today, I've got some eye-opening news about hotel security that you need to hear. A significant security flaw has been discovered in Dormakaba's Suflock door lock system, and it's affecting millions of hotel rooms worldwide. This vulnerability, named Unsuflock, allows hackers to unlock doors using forged keycards. Yeah, you heard that right. Potentially millions of hotel rooms could be at risk. So, what's the deal? Well, the flaw is in the RFID system used by Suflock locks. This means attackers can create duplicate keycards or exploit existing ones to gain unauthorized access. That's like giving burglars a master key to the hotel. Although there haven't been any confirmed real-world attacks yet, the potential for unauthorized access is a massive concern. Dormakaba, the company behind Suflock locks, discovered this issue back in 2022. They've been working on a fix ever since, but the patching process is still ongoing. This means a significant number of locks remain vulnerable. It's crucial for both hotels and guests to stay vigilant and take extra security measures. So, what can you do as a guest? Always use the additional security features in your room, like deadbolts and security chains. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to hotel management immediately. Remember, a little caution goes a long way. Now let's talk about the broader implications. This isn't just about one hotel or one lock system. It's about the importance of cybersecurity in our everyday lives. As technology advances, so do the methods of those looking to exploit it. Staying informed and taking proactive steps is key to staying safe. Today, I'm diving into something that's making waves in the tech world: Fogyu's innovative security solutions. If you're a tech enthusiast or just passionate about community safety, stick around. Small businesses, especially local retailers, face increasing challenges with security. In Sandringham, the tragic loss of Janak Patel, a beloved dairy worker, has united the community in a fight against crime. And guess what? Tech is playing a star role in this battle. Enter Fogyu. This tech company is not just about gadgets and gizmos, it's about making a real difference. Fogyu has introduced smartwatches and smoke cannons to small business owners. These aren't your average gadgets. The smartwatches offer real-time tracking and a direct line to emergency services, providing an instant lifeline in critical moments. And then there's the smoke cannon. Imagine a device that can fill a room with dense, harmless smoke in seconds, disorienting any would-be criminal. It's like something straight out of a spy movie, but it's real and it's here. But that's not all. Help Hand, a charitable trust, has donated 30 personal emergency response watches to dairy owners in Sandringham. It's a community effort, with everyone stepping up to ensure safety. The response from Sandringham shows how technology can be a game changer in community safety. These innovative solutions from Fogyu and other tech companies are setting a new standard for retail security. It's a reminder that when tech and community come together, we can create a safer environment for everyone. So, what do you think about these cutting-edge security measures? You need to hear this if you're a pool owner. Let's talk about something crucial today: pool safety. Every pool owner knows the joy and relaxation that comes with having a pool at home. But with that fun comes responsibility. Introducing the Solo Pool Alarm. your new best friend in pool safety. Now, you might be thinking, why do I need a pool alarm? Imagine this. You're inside the house, maybe grabbing a snack or taking a quick call, and you don't realize someone's entered the pool area. Scary, right? That's where the Solo Pool Alarm steps in. This device detects any unexpected entry into your pool. It's easy to install and use. The moment it senses something unusual, it sets off a loud alarm, alerting you instantly. This gives you precious seconds to take action. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but I'm always careful. And that's great. But accidents can happen to even the most vigilant among us. The Solo Pool Alarm isn't just about reacting to emergencies. It's also about peace of mind. Whether you have kids, pets, or frequent guests, knowing that an extra layer of security is there can be incredibly reassuring. Plus, it's not just for home pools. If you own a rental property or a vacation home, this alarm can be a game changer. It's one more feature that can attract potential renters by showcasing your commitment to safety. The Solo Pool Alarm connects to your smartphone, giving you real-time updates and alerts. You can monitor your pool from virtually anywhere. Pretty neat, huh? So, why wait? Ensure the safety of your loved ones and enjoy peace of mind with the Solo Pool Alarm. Visit our website today to learn more and make your purchase. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on pool safety and maintenance. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Stay safe and happy swimming.